Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, compared to the mugginess that we had around yesterday, this afternoon feels a lot more comfortable, doesn't it? Dew points dropping into the 50s, and that trend continues for most of the next several days. Our one little hiccup would be late tomorrow. That's where you're going to notice the stickiness just a little bit as dew points climb back into the low to mid 60s, but right back into the 50s, into the comfortable category we go for most, if not all, of the 4th of July weekend. A little muggier as we go towards the middle of next week, along with increasing temperatures, but we'll take the comfortable forecast for the most part. And in terms of checking on our rainfall, for the entire month, we've had just over 1 inch of rain. That is tied for the 11th driest June. We're tied with 1924, actually. And when was the driest June on record? Well, I appreciate the question. It was actually 1949.05 inches. That's basically just like a couple of drops. So it can be worse, but we could use some precipitation. We will get some, I believe, tomorrow night. More on that in just a second. But before we talk precipitation, let's talk some blue skies in Newport. Looking great here over Newport Harbor. Some sailboats there in the background. And if you go up to the north, looking quite warm with a few of those fair weather cumulus clouds popping up in Pasco. Temperature is 84 in Providence, 79 in Newport, 81 degrees right now in Westerly. And notice what's happening with our winds. We have a land breeze, land breeze, land breeze. And you can see westerly, sea breeze. So that has a huge factor in determining which way the temperatures will go. So westerly starts to cool down to the 70s, and Newport, Jamestown, I also see you flipping over to more of a southwesterly sea breeze during the afternoon, going back into the 70s, but that'll make it nice and comfortable down at the beach. And not too bad inland with the low humidity. Now, one of the reasons we'll see that humidity and the shower chances pick up tomorrow is this right here, the center of low pressure in the Great Lakes. That will scoop up some moisture right here, and as that comes in, we will bring in the chance of some of those showers. Now, here's what is going in our favor. A lot of these do not come in until pretty late in the day. In fact, I think most, if not all, the daylight hours tomorrow remain rain-free. Now, there will be a risk of a shower or thunderstorm after around 3 or 4 o'clock, but the best chance would be after 9 or 10 p.m. You can see these pull through. This is midnight Saturday. A few showers could linger into the very early hours of Saturday morning, and then this is out of here by late Saturday morning. So Saturday and Sunday, we're talking sunshine and rain-free conditions. In terms of the storm severity tomorrow, there is a slight risk of a few strong storms. We'll continue to watch that for you. Hopefully, we can just get out some soaking downpours to make up some of this rainfall deficit as we go into the first day of July. This afternoon, temperatures into the upper 80s, 87, maybe 88 around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. By 5 p.m. We're still warm in the mid-80s and then dropping back to around 79 degrees just before sunset. In Narragansett, hovering right around 80 right now, and then back into the low to mid-70s during the later hours of this afternoon. But a nice evening to head down to the beach. Looks like on our cameras, a lot of people already down there. 7-day Futurecast brings in those evening showers, perhaps a few thunderstorms tomorrow night. Saturday looking good, low humidity. Sunday looking good, low humidity. Great for fireworks on Sunday night. And if you're heading to the beach, maybe getting an early start on 4th of July on July 3rd, we're looking at mid-70s at the beach. And then for the fireworks on Monday, looking great as well. A comfortable day, comfortable night. Should be mostly clear skies for good firework viewing. Now next week, we'll bring in temperatures getting a little warmer, especially by Wednesday with that increase in humidity. There will be a slight chance of a pop-up shower on Tuesday afternoon. It does look like most of that will stay down to the south, but we'll continue to watch that forecast for the middle of the week for you as well. But all in all, a pretty good looking 4th of July Futurecast.
Definitely. All right. Thanks, Pete. Now we want to let you know we're working on live at 5.